Hey everybody, how are you doing? A while ago I'd shown you a backpack portable propane system, and here it is right here in use. I thought I'd show you. It is summertime right now, but this is something that I would use in the winter. So over here is a butane tank, and you can use this up until temperatures where you get to freezing temperatures. Okay, once you get below freezing, this is not as useful, and it doesn't perform very well. It's not the tank, it's the fuel, butane. This is a refillable tank for butane. It's heavy. If you were to use a lightweight disposable container, you can take it with this stove and put it in a backpack and you'd be fine. But in colder conditions, you start to either go to isobutane or propane. So what I wanted to show is just the ability for you to carry these little propane bottles. They are holding 50 grams of propane each. And the special thing here is that this regulator that came off of a dual fuel stove was made to connect to these types of butane connectors. So this brings the pressure down to what you would expect for butane, and it's delivered on the hose over to here, to this tripod, to the stove. This stove has a micro regulator in there, and it's vital to not over pressurize the micro regulator. So what I can do here is I'll show you and demonstrate. You can turn this thing on, get it to a simmering pressure there, and then there you go. So you can cook a cup of chili in that thing and not burn the bottom of the chili at the bottom of the pan, or make some coffee with this while you run it at simmer mode, or you can just turn it all the way up and blast it. When I make coffee, I usually like to simmer because I like it to go slowly because I'm using a mocha pot. So anyways, that's one way to use this. If you go out on a snowshoeing expedition, you're cross-country skiing, or if you're downhill skiing and you have this in your car, it's nice to have with you. So it'll perform very well until you get down to negative 42 degrees Celsius. I don't think any of us here who are watching will probably hit those temperatures, but just keep that in mind. It is very well performing in low temperatures. I have a connector here, which is just basically to loosely couple to the propane tank and to this jet oil gauge. And the reason for that, just turn that on, you can weigh the tank, and that gives you the ability to find out what the exact weight is, and then just go, okay, I've got 80% left if it's 294 grams. Nice to have, just so you know how much fuel is left in your tanks. So that's it. I just thought I'd show you this. It's been a while since I brought this out, and I wanted to show everybody because it's getting ready to be time for fall soon, and then winter. So we will be very well prepared for it. Thanks a lot, and appreciate watching. Take care.